Hello, dear students. Now let us revise the chapter Microorganism Friend and Foe. So, first is fill in the blanks. First question, microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash. So, microorganisms can be seen with the help of an instrument called as microscope. Second question, blue-green algae fix dash directly from air to enhance fertility of soil. Blue-green algae fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Next, alcohol is produced with the help of dash. Alcohol is produced with the help of microorganisms such as bacteria and yeast, etc. So next, cholera is caused by dash. Cholera is caused by bacteria. So cholera is caused by a microorganism called as bacteria. Next is take the correct answer. In that first question, yeast is used in the production of dash, sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, oxygen. The answer is yeast is used in the preparation of alcohol. Next, the following is an antibiotic. Options: sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol, yeast. Option is streptomycin. So streptomycin, eripsin, these are some of the antibiotics. Next, carrier of malaria causing protozoa is dash. Okay, carrier means which carry the microorganism from infected person to a healthy person. So the carrier here is a female Anopheles mosquito. So which carry the malarial malaria causing protozoa, that is plasmodium, to a healthy person. Next, the most common carrier of communicable diseases is dash: ant, housefly, dragonfly, and spider. The answer is housefly, because houseflies so they'll sit on the food and even they'll sit on the garbage. Suppose if they sit on the garbage and straight away come to the kitchen, and if they sits on the food, means definitely the microorganisms will enter the food that may we eat. Okay, next is the bread or idli dough rises because of dash: heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells, kneading. The answer is growth of yeast cells. Next, the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called as dash: nitrogen fixation, molding, fermentation, infection. The answer is fermentation. Match the organisms in column 1 with their action in column 2. So column 1, bacteria, rhizobium, lactobacillus, yeast, a protozoan, a virus. In option in the column 2, fixing of nitrogen, setting of curd, baking of bread, causing malaria, causing cholera, causing AIDS, producing antibodies. So firstly, bacteria. So bacteria which causes a disease called as cholera, right? And next one, rhizobium. So rhizobium is a soil bacteria, helps in fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Next, lactobacillus. So lactobacillus is a bacteria present in a milk which help in setting the curd, setting of curd. Next, yeast. So yeast is extensively used in baking industries, right, or in bakeries. So baking of bread. Next, a protozoa. So a protozoa, in these options, it causes a malaria, because plasmodium is a protozoa that causes malaria. Next, a virus. So AIDS is caused by a virus. It means a virus causing AIDS. Next question, can microorganisms be seen with the naked eye? If not, how can they be seen? So no, microorganisms cannot be seen by our naked eyes. They are very small, and so these are called as microbes. So they can be seen with the help of a microscope. Question, what are the major groups of microorganisms? The major groups of microorganisms are fungi, bacteria, protozoa, and some of the algae. Next question. Name the microorganisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Bacteria such as rhizobium and certain blue-green algae, so which are present in the soil, can fix atmospheric nitrogen. It means they convert nitrogen into usable nitrogen compounds such as nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen oxides, or ammonia, like this. So which are used by plants for synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Next question. Write 10 lines on the surface on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. Microorganisms, you know that they are very small, that we cannot see through our naked eyes. However, they are vital to plants and the environment. So firstly, these microorganisms are used in wine making, it means alcohol, next in baking, in pickling and other food making processes. Next, alcoholic fermentation by yeast is widely used in the preparation of wine and bread. Next, a bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd or setting of curd. So next is microbes are used to reduce pollution. So pollution control ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Next, they are used to increase the soil fertility by fixing the atmospheric nitrogen. So rhizobium bacteria which help in fixing the atmospheric nitrogen. Microbes are also useful in preparing many medicines like vaccines and antibiotics. Next, certain microbes are also used in biological treatment of sewage and industrial effluents. Okay, so to clean the sewage and industrial effluents, microorganisms are used. So these are some of the uses of microorganisms in our lives. So this is about the chapter revision, microorganisms and microorganisms friend and foe revision. So students, I hope you have understood. Do well. All the best.